We're home and we're in the shed and it's still light for once, which is good. So let's have a look. Today I wanted to test this turnigy Agcel 8150 on the 24 volt power bank using the 7S setup. And I don't know if my camera's going to pick this up, but we're going to position it there. I have got to connect the positive and negative up on here. You see we've got the balance leads plugged in down the side, and down here we've got the load side coming out. Now I'm going to position that so it gets a good shot of the screen. We'll connect up the pack off camera. So we're all connected up, ready to charge. There's no load coming out of this at all. So it's currently set to LiPo, which should pick up okay. We just drop that down to 1 amp, and it's 7S 25.9. Push and hold. Battery check, and it confirms that it is 7S pack, and it reads 28 odd volts. Starts charging. If I go to the cells, it's oh, I can't believe it. It's playing ball today. I don't know whether to trust this unit now. Cell 1 was always reading low, sort of 2.8 volts when everything else was high. So yeah, kind of defeats the object of this video, I guess. We got cell 1 4.18, cell 2 4.18, cell 3 4.19, cell 4 4.19, 5 or 4.19, 6 4.19, 7 4.19, 8 is 0 because it's not used. Okay, well, nothing I can do there, is there? Let's stop that then. And I'll have to do another video if it does play up again. I'll keep my camera handy. So that just leaves today's load testing. So what I think I'll do is I'm going to grab 714, 21 more cells, and we'll pop them in, and we'll grab a couple of UPSs and see if it will run. Obviously these batteries are charged quite high, and I don't know what the maximum voltage is on these UPSs, so either we're going to see blue smoke or it should work. Culprit is this APC Smart UPS 750. 750 must be V8. 750 VA is 500 watts. So we can have a go at that. I've got two of these. One of them works, one of them doesn't. I did test one of these previously using a boost converter, so I should have marked it in hindsight. Well, that still got its front attached in the ribbon, so I'm guessing that must be the good one. Right, let's get into this and swap the connector over. Right, so we've got the UPS connected up on the battery connector. Nothing has happened. I should be able to start this one up without pushing any button, or without too much trouble. A bleep is a good noise, because it means something's happening. Ah, double tap. No AC. Turn on use delay. Turn no delay. No action. Turn on use delay. Turn on no delay. Ah! Okay, push once, double tap. Turn on no AC. UPS control. Menu. Control. Enter. UPS control. Enter. Enter. Oh, I hate electronic things. I just want to turn it on. I'll figure this out later. So we're going to forget the little brother for the moment, the APC 750. Instead, we're going to go straight up to the 1500. So that should give us a kilowatt, right? A kilowatt of mains power, soft pure sine wave. So anyway, yeah, this one's got Anderson collectors on. Lovely, which is good. And the gauge of the copper cables seem to be the same, which is good. So hopefully this has only got 2 buttons, so it's either going to work or not. So we heard a click of a relay, so, and if I turn it off, click, that's good. Now the only problem we've got here is obviously UPSs use a different output connector, which we have to find. We've got some somewhere in the shed. That's the connector I mean. This end goes into your computer, this end goes into the back of the UPS. So I've got to find a socket now. I did have an extension lead with this plug on, but I don't know where I've hidden it. Never mind. Right, so there's my test socket. There is the plug down there. Push that in there. Now you notice I'm missing something on most of this project, which I haven't said anything about, but if someone picks up on it, then good. Right, okay, so in the dark, and unplug my shed light. Plug my shed light into here and turn it on. Noticing that I've only actually got a few cells on there, so I'm going to do a quick test. Oh, helps if you turn the socket on. And nothing. Click. And on. Now there's going to be some problems that we have to cover on this. And that is going to be obviously making sure this doesn't overheat, because these aren't meant to run 24/7 under load. They're meant to be passing the mains through and only on for a few minutes whilst you shut everything down. So that's good. So we've got a 45 watt load on there. Obviously we're going to have to disable the bleeper or smother it so no one can hear it, but that works. So let's switch that off there and plug that back in up on there. Switch that on. Turn that off. So it has done its job. What I'm going to do is, obviously this has been in a shed, possibly a little bit damp. Maybe I should have climatized it a little bit by taking it indoors, but I'm too impatient with that sort of thing. I'm going to run it up slowly on some 100 watt lamps and such to make sure it's all dry inside. Don't want to whack a big load on it and bust it. So yeah, if you notice what I'm missing on most of this project, then stick it in the comments. If you don't notice, I'm not going to tell you until the end. But yeah, I'm going to go and sort some cells out, and we'll load this up tomorrow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate. I'm happy that the turnigy 8 AKASO 8 150 actually worked today. It was showing a low voltage on everything else. I tested it on cell 1. So I was going to be doing a video to send to the eBay shop, but obviously can't do that now. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.